Okay, super fast video to show you how to simulate a vacuum leak without even opening the hood. So if you want to check your oxygen sensor to make sure they're working, all you got to do is, if you have a power brake boost with a vacuum hose connected to it, not the power steering fluid type, that won't work. All you do is have to pump the brakes, and the poppet valve in the power boost will start letting air into the power vacuum chamber to neutralize the pressure, so the air under the dash will actually go into the power boost and actually go into the engine like as if it was a vacuum leak. So watch when I start pumping the brake and watch what happens to the short terms. I'm pumping I can literally get the short terms to go up to 47, and the motor starts running crappy too at the same time, and then it straightens out. I'm not pumping anymore, and then we'll try that again. It's went back pumping, poppet valves letting air under the dash in, and it's actually, how good that, and it's actually getting sucked into the motor like a vacuum leak. So it's a good little trick without getting out and opening the hood.